Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, welcome to my channel Decoding GK. Let's start the new video. The king of fruits are mango. On which day Teachers Day celebrated? 5th September. On which day Hindi Day celebrated? 14th September. On which day Computer Literacy Day? 2nd December. Which gas is felt inside the electric bulb? Argon. Which disease is caused by the drinking tea? Pyorrhea. Which gas is spelled in the Kurkury packet? Nitrogen. Which is the tallest tower of India? Qutub Minar. When is United Nations Day celebrated? 24 October. Which is the largest fish producing country? China.